Blotato, the honest take on AI content repurposing. Look, if you're a creator right now, you already know the deal. You make one solid YouTube video, and then you're supposed to magically turn it into 15 different posts across Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. And somewhere in there, you're also supposed to, create more content. It's exhausting, and most solutions are either terrible or require you to basically hire a team. So when I came across Blotato, I was skeptical. Another AI tool promising to save creators time? Sure. But here's the thing. It was built by Sabrina Romanov, who walked the walk, growing from 0 to 500,000 plus followers in 6 months using this exact system. Not a venture-backed team, guessing at creator problems, someone who lives this daily. So I tested it. Let me tell you what works, what doesn't, and who this is for. What Blotato does. At its core, Blotato takes your long-form content, YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, even PDFs, and atomizes it into platform-specific short-form pieces. You're not just copying and pasting. The AI adapts your message for how people consume content on each platform. You upload a podcast episode. It generates vertical video scripts for shorts and reels, LinkedIn posts that sound professional, not cringe, Twitter threads that flow, Instagram captions and carousel concepts. The tool offers transparency around which AI models it uses. You can choose between ChatGPT, Claude, and others. That matters because different models handle different content styles better. The faceless video angle. Here's where it gets interesting for a specific type of creator. Blotato has robust faceless video generation built in, AI avatars, voiceovers, the whole setup. If you're testing ideas fast, want to publish daily without being on camera, or you're building a knowledge brand where your face isn't the asset, this is powerful. You can repurpose blog posts into video snippets, create explainer content, all without production equipment. The catch? Video generation eats through credits quickly, so on the $29 per month starter plan with 1,250 credits, you need to be strategic. It's not unlimited video production, it's targeted use. The all-in-one workflow thing. Blotato combines scheduling, AI writing, and publishing in one workspace. You can draft posts, refine them with the built-in AI chat, schedule across all your connected accounts, and push publish. Is the calendar as polished as dedicated tools like Buffer? No. The scheduling view feels less organized compared to pure social media management platforms. But the value isn't in replacing your scheduler, it's in having AI-powered content creation and distribution in the same place. You also get a library of high-performing post templates for inspiration, an AI writer trained on 100,000 plus viral posts to help with hooks and structure, built-in image generation for visuals, viral coach feature that analyzes your drafts and suggests improvements. Where it shines. Automation. This is the part that separates Blotato from basic repurposing tools. It integrates with Make.com, Zapier, and N8N, plus offers API access even on the $29 starter plan. For anyone who thinks in systems, this is huge. You can build workflows where, when a piece of content is marked ready to post, the One Post Everywhere workflow picks it up from your Google Sheet and pushes it to 9 platforms in one move. If an idea begins as a messy email, the email to long-form thread template turns it into a clean long-form post and publishes it automatically. And when you upload a TikTok, templates like repurpose TikToks on autopilot, repurpose TikToks into carousels and threads, and automate Instagram carousels with AI chat transform that single video into reposts, threads, and carousels across your entire ecosystem without any extra work from you. Most competitors charge way more just for basic scheduling, let alone API access and automation capabilities. The real limitations. Let me be clear about what this isn't. It's not a video editing tool. If you need to clip a 20-minute video into 5 60-second segments, this won't do it. Blotato repurposes the content and ideas, not the footage itself. The calendar is functional, not beautiful. If you're coming from Metricool or Hootsuite, the UI will feel basic. Credits matter. Heavy video and image generation will burn through your monthly credits fast. Plan accordingly. Analytics are light. You'll still need native platform analytics or dedicated tools for performance tracking. It's built for faceless content workflows. If your brand is heavily personality-driven and on camera, a lot of the video features won't align with your style. The pricing reality. 3 tiers. Starter at $29 per month gives you 1,250 credits. 20 social accounts, unlimited writing and API access. Creator at $97 per month gives you 5,000 credits and priority support. Agency at $499 per month gives you unlimited credits and onboarding calls. The starter plan is genuinely competitive if you're a solo creator who needs content repurposing and basic automation. The creator tier makes sense if you're producing volume and need more credits. Agency pricing is for teams or people managing multiple brands. There's a 7-day free trial, though you can't test the API without committing to a paid plan. So, who is this for? You create long-form content and struggle to distribute it everywhere. You want to experiment with faceless video or scale video output fast. You think in systems and automation, not just scheduling. You're a solopreneur or small team trying to maintain presence without burning out. Skip it if you're heavily personality-driven and on camera for everything. You need deep analytics and reporting for clients or stakeholders. You want a pure video clipping tool. You're looking for a polished, enterprise-grade social media manager. Bottom line, Blotato isn't trying to be everything. It's solving a specific problem. You create good content, but repurposing it manually across platforms kills hours you don't have. It's not generating empty AI slop. It's amplifying content that already has your voice and expertise through smart automation. If that's your bottleneck, this is worth testing. If your challenges are somewhere else in the content pipeline, you'll probably need it alongside other tools, not as a replacement. What's next? If you appreciated this honest review and you want to try out Blotato, I'd be grateful if you did it via my affiliate link in the description. And if you found this useful, less hype, and more honest breakdowns of tools that matter for creators, subscribe. I'm building a library of practical, no BS reviews for people who want leverage, not empty promises. Until next time, create smarter, not harder.